Hi guys, today we are making spaghetti jollof. Let's go. So I have my broken spaghetti which I have just added into this pan on fire. So I'll be monitoring it. At this stage it's difficult to turn it, but as you go along it will become very easier for you to turn it. I delayed a bit in turning it so it got stuck to the bottom of the pot. So you have to keep an eye on your spaghetti, and if you don't keep an eye on it, everything will become black. So I have to be turning it this way so that it will change to this brown color that I am looking for. If you are new to this channel, try to subscribe, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos on this channel. So you can see as it is heating up, it's reducing in quantity. Initially it filled almost all parts of the cooking pot, but now it's reducing in quantity because it is heating up. So now it's done. I'll just set it aside. So with another saucepan with oil, I have added some onion, and after 2 minutes I'll add this pepper tomato paste made by Gino. So it contains some pepper in it and at the same time some tomato paste. So I'll give it a gentle stir and let it fry for some additional 3 minutes before I add additional ingredients. So now I'll add some herrings or powdered fish. I used my mini blender to blend it together with some pepper. So I've added curry powder, cloves powder, and also some ginger powder. So this is my seasoning cube, which is also the Gino seasoning cube, and some salt. So together I'll stir it, and I'll add some chicken stock into it. So now I'm just adding some hot water so that it will speed up the cooking process. I'll cover it and allow it to boil. When it starts boiling, I'll add the fried spaghetti into it. Give it another stir, and then I'll cover it to cook for close to 7 minutes. So you see how beautiful the spaghetti is. So give it a gentle stir. So now I'll cover it, and after 7 minutes, see how it has turned out. So at this point I have my diced vegetables. I have carrots, green bell pepper, and some spring onion. So this is my frozen spring onion. I've just added my chicken. Wow, so beautiful. I bet you if you prepare yours too, it's going to be super delicious. So at this point I will just add this rubber and cover it so that the steam will do the cooking. So after additional 3 minutes it is done, and I'm serving it hot. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I'll be glad if you can share, comment, like, and also subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will be posting other videos, and I trust you will definitely come back to watch them. See you next time. Bye.